Stop for 1 second. You need to hear this. What if it actually did turn out? What if that thing was actually meant for you? What if you could actually create anything that you wanted in your life? Wait, don't scroll just for a second. Sit here and be with me and visualize this. Imagine for a second that that thing that you want so bad, that you dream about and you wish could happen for you, but it's only just a dream. What if that was a sign that that was actually supposed to be your path for this game, for this life, for this journey, but you forgot? Stick with me. Just imagine that it's a game, and the only way to play the game was you had little hints for yourself along the way, and the hints were the things that you think about all day long, the things that you wish could happen. But what if those wishes were little hints from your future self or your past self or God, the creator, whatever you believe in? They were hints to remind you that that is actually what's meant for you. You think about that one thing and you wish it could happen, but you say to yourself, that could never happen, that's impossible. But what if that was actually meant for you? That's why you're dreaming about it. But what if the only thing stopping you from having that was yourself? All of the excuses, negative things that you keep telling yourself why you can't have that. But it is for you. Whether you believe in past life, future life, God, the creator, whatever, source energy is giving you those hints through your dreams, through your passions. What is the point of having a passion? Wouldn't the purpose of having a passion or a dream be to achieve it? Let's think about that for a second. What is the purpose to have a dream? Just to dream a dream and never materialize it? The whole point of a dream that you created, or a passion, or something that inspires you, is for you to have it. So what if you just stopped with any excuse and you said, it's mine, that's my path, that is meant for me, I am meant to walk down that path, I am meant to do this thing. I leave it up to God, the creator, the universe, to get me onto that path, but I accept my fate. What if that was literally all you needed to do, and stop all the negative reasons why you can't have it, and just say, I accept it. I give up with excuses, my reasons why I can't have it. I accept that I am worthy of it, that I am allowed to have that. I give myself permission to have that life that I want to live. Give yourself permission. Go look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, you can have anything that you want. You allow yourself to have anything you want, and that miracles can happen for you. You're allowed to experience a miracle. It is yours. It is waiting for you to claim it by allowing it in, by telling yourself you are worthy and capable of having it. I love you. Make sure you follow me for more manifestation and mindset shifting content.